Today we're going to be testing out the real cotton candy maker from Crazy Art. We have it ready.
Oh, you have to wait till the light turns
green, which takes 3 minutes. Then you gotta do the flick of the wrist to get the cotton candy before it burns.
It does burn, but that's after. Like, we're just gonna be putting ours in a bowl. But the flavors are there's banana, grape, vanilla, blue raspberry, cherry. I think that's all we have.
There's a bunch else if you buy it. Oh gosh.
Oh, there's blue raspberry.
There should be green if you buy certain kinds.
Oh, packs here, can
Because if you, I got it. It's stuck in my hand. It tastes great. There's kind of candy flying around, so I'm gonna quick turn this off.
Did you use all the sugar that's in there first? Because now you have to wait for it to warm up again.
We'll let it. This is as seen on TV product. Let's just see it. This is not an as seen on TV product.
It is, I think.
Actually, yeah, it is. Never mind. It's an as seen on TV product. I have cotton candy stuck in my finger.
You can film.
My cousin's gonna take over now. Well, I'm gonna eat the cotton candy.
Stop eating it!
That's what it looks like. It looks like cotton candy. Try it.
Tastes good.
Oh, good.
It's not green, but it's starting to form. Since somebody turned it off when there was still sugar in it. Get your finger!
It hurts, cool.
Because of the sugars flying around.
Kids, this is how you actually make cotton candy.
Sometimes they're cotton candy that forms around the yellow piece in the middle. So you're gonna want to get that off, or else it will burn and get your hand out of there.
I put my hands in it.
Or else it will burn and start to caramelize, and it gets really hot. And it starts making funky sounds.
Yeah. I'm gonna get
And after you leave it sit for a while, if it doesn't produce any more cotton candy, then you can add more.
That's what the
Cotton candy looks like. That's the grape. Already made grape.
So she's gonna put in. We're actually no. And then after that, we're gonna put in some red cherry. So that will be part 2. Okay, 2 of
And
it.
you're only supposed to put a